Good day all. Welcome to HMT's YouTube channel. Today let's see the guidelines which has to be followed when you're giving your DG.Shipping Exit Exam. 3 exam instructions which you have to follow. The exit exams can be given only through laptop or desktop. Prior taking the exam, clear your web cache files and the Windows temporary files. A video of the same has been made, and again you can find the link which is given in the description. Prior taking exam, disable the antivirus installed in your system. Ensure all the remote screen sharing apps are uninstalled. The Windows operating system has to be 64-bit operating system. Exit exam software won't run on 32-bit operating system. Now let us see the instructions which you have to follow during the exam. Ensure good lighting is available in the room or space where you are taking the exam. Do not look anywhere else while giving the exam. Focus should be on the screen. Do not switch the tabs. Also, no other person other than the examinee to be seen in the camera while giving the exam. This is because when you are giving the exam, almost 5 to 6 times your picture will be taken and it will be verified with the profile photo which you have in your Windows database. And if it is not matching, the software will say there is a mismatch of photo and you will be terminated from the exam. Do not keep the test screen idle for more than 3 minutes. If you face any other technical errors, you can contact the DG technical support team. The contact email IDs have been given below. Please follow it. technical@dgsexams.in and support@dgsexams.in. Further, please watch the video to see how to appear for an exit exam. Thank you. Now let us see a few of the exit exam errors and the frequently asked questions. If you get an error like already logged in some other machine, it indicates that a candidate is trying to log in with 2 or more machines at a time. Only one machine login is allowed. If you get a message like you are logged out from this session, it means that either a candidate had tried to browse other window during the exam, or the candidate had minimized the exam window during the exam. These activities are not allowed. Now when you get a message like, looks like your internet connection was lost, please wait while we try to reconnect. It means that there is an internet failure and up to 5 minutes of internet failure is allowed. During this allowed session out, screen will freeze. Whenever internet resumes, freezing will be removed and candidate can continue the exam. If the session out is more than 5 minutes, then logout will happen. If you have kept the browser window idle for a long time, it will give you a message that you have kept the browser window idle for a long time. The candidate has kept the screen idle for more than 3 minutes, which is not allowed. In these cases, you'll be terminated from the exam. If you get a message like close your screen sharing application, it means the candidate is running a screen sharing application as mentioned in the message. Candidate has to uninstall all the screen sharing applications like Zoom, Skype, Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, AnyDesk, etc. Then only the system will allow to proceed for exam. Try your login after 30 minutes. This message is displayed when a candidate has logged in and closed the browser button without continuing the exam. Security features are enabled during entire period of exam. Candidate should not close the browser. If by mistake you have closed, then the student is permitted to write the exam after 30 minutes. Missing file error. Many of the candidates are facing this issue. When they try to install the DGS software, they get a message of this sort, and we have made a video how to rectify this error. To watch the video, please click on the link which is given in the description. Next, if you get your IP address block error, then you will have to change your hotspot. Candidates cannot give more than one exit exam with one IP address in 24 hours. So if you need to give more than one exit exam in a day, then you will have to change your hotspot. The net connectivity you will have to change, and only then you can proceed for the test.